This is the MX1 basic printer overview. So we're going to start off here with the main screen. Anytime we talk about the main screen, this is going to be what we're referring to. So here you're going to have your message that lets you know what message is loaded into the printer for printing. We have our counter, tells you what is our current print count number. We have our scrolling message. Important information pops up here just letting you know, please don't shut down the printer while you're inserting or removing a cartridge. That could cause damage. Print preview area with the built-in ruler lets you know what the size of the code is and what code is to be printed. Then we have our 4 buttons along the bottom here. We have our power button. The power is going to allow you to close the screen or turn off the screen so that you can save a little power or shut down the whole unit. Then we have our edit button, edit single file. That allows us to create or edit the codes that we wish to print. Our edit group file, that allows us to group multiple single files together in order to print them in succession. And then our edit image, that allows us to import bitmap images, make edits to them for printing. Next here we have our settings. We have our system settings. That's where you can set your language, time, and print parameters. Your print settings, this is where you'll make adjustments to your print delay, line speed, and DPI, and basically your parameters for printing. Next is our remote upgrade. That allows you to log on to your local Wi-Fi network and upgrade the printer to the latest software version if you are looking for extra features or running into some things. But before doing that, again, if everything's working properly, don't worry about upgrading. Only if you are encountering some difficulties or looking for those extra features, then you would do that. Next there is your About device. The About device gives you some basic information such as ink level, software ID, ink ID, just about the printer. The last is your Print button. This button will allow you to turn the print on and off. You'll notice that whenever you hit the Print button, it verifies the cartridge, the button changes from print to printing, and your message changes to don't remove cartridge while printing. That lets you know, please do not take the cartridge out of the stall with the print engaged. Always make sure that you turn the print off, and then it's safe to remove your cartridge. Current date and time are displayed down at the bottom here. If you need to make adjustments to those, go to your settings and your system settings. And of course, this is brought to you by Sneed Coding Solutions.